Hey guys, let's see what we have here. We have some letters and cubes. So let's find each picture for each letter. So the first one is letter A. And for A we have apple. Apple starts with A. Next is letter B. And let's see what we have for B. Here's letter B, and for B we have ball. Next is letter C. What do we have for letter C? Let's check. Oh, we have a cat. Cat for letter C. Alrighty, next letter is letter D. And for D we have... What do we have for D? We have a dog. Perfect. Let's see the next one is letter E. And for E we have elephant for letter E. Next letter is letter F. And for F we have flowers. Flowers start with letter F. You don't see it well, like this. Next is letter G. What shall we have for G? Let's see. Oh, we have a goose. Goose starts with letter G. And we have our first letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We have apple, ball, cat, dog, elephant, flowers, and a goose. Let's move to the next row and find the next letters. So next is H. And for H we have a hat. Next one is letter I. And for I we have iron. Perfect. Next is letter J. Let's see, what do we have for letter J? Not in here. And not this one. So we'll have to check the previous ones. Let's check letter A. Nope. Letter B. Yes, we have Jeep. Starts with J. Perfect. Oh, do we have a ball around here? Well, okay, let's move. Next is letter K. And for K, we have, not in here, not here, maybe here, nope. Oh, we have here, we have a key. Key starts with letter K. Next is letter L. Where is our L? Nope, not in here. Oh, we can put it to elephant so far. L, L, L. Maybe L is here. Nope. Maybe L is here. Yes, we have lion. Perfect. Lion for letter L. Do we have a cat around here? No, we don't. Alrighty. Now let's find for letter M. Oh, we have monkey. Monkey for letter M. Perfect. Next will be letter N. So for N, what shall we have for N? Not in here. Oh, we have a nut. Perfect. We have a nut. Cool. So this one stays with us. And we're moving on. Looks really pretty. Only 3 letters left without it. Next row. So next is letter O. And for O, we don't have here. Maybe this one has. Yes, it does. It has an onion. Here is our letter D. We can put it right here, back. Perfect. It looks really, really nice. Next is letter P. Let's check this one. Maybe it has letter P. Nope. We keep the dog. Letter P in here. No, we keep the elephant. Letter P here. No, we keep the flower. P, are you here? No, the goose is staying. Here? Nope. Where is our letter P? It's not anywhere. Oh, come on. We need our letter P. No, it stays with Jeep. Oh, here it is. We have a parrot. Here is our parrot. Perfect. Next is letter Q. And for Q, we'll have nothing here. Oops, don't fall, please. Not in here. Maybe Q is here. Nope. Letter Q, where are you? No, it's not in here. Maybe here? No. Where is our letter Q? We should have it somewhere. Here it is. It's the queen. We have it. Next is letter R. Let's find something for our letter. Oh, and we have it! Just in time. It's a rainbow. Perfect. Next is letter S. Let's see if we have anything for S. Not in here. Not in here as well. Maybe this one does. Nope. Come on, we need something for letter S. Nope. Is the Jeep? Nope. Yes, we have a squirrel. Finally, we completed it. Now it's letter T, and we have, here is our letter T, and for T we have turkey. Perfect. Next is letter U. I'm doing it like this. So let's find something for letter U. Not in here. Maybe this one has. Nope, not in here. Alrighty. Oh, we have umbrella. Perfect. Umbrella starts with letter U. Next is letter V. Not in here. Maybe V is over here. Nope. Let's check this one. No, not in here. Violin. We have our violin. Perfect. Next is W. And I guess we have W here. Yes, we have a wheel. Next is letter X. We don't have X here, as I remember, and not in here. But we do have it here. We have a xylophone. Next is letter Y. Y wasn't here and Y wasn't here. Let's check this row. No, not in here. No. Let's check this one. No, not in here. Not in here. Where is our letter Y? Nope. Not in here as well. We have a yacht. Perfect. We have our yacht. And the last one is letter Z. And Z, if I'm not mistaken, should be somewhere around here. Oh, let's put it on umbrella to make it beautiful. Maybe, yes, here is our zebra. Perfect. Let's see if we can put these letters closer. We can. We have O. You also have O. And nothing more interesting. Let's put it O, R. You have S and you have S. Not very interesting. Just pity. Well, anyway, thank you for your time, guys. See you soon.